Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you're welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to generate this logo easily by using Adobe Illustrator. So let's start the video. So friends, at first we have to set up a page. To do it, you have to click on the file, then click on the new, then select insert from here, then click on this box, then type 3.5, then click on this box and type 2, then click on the create. After setting up the page, you have to select the shape tool, then you have to select the round shape, then press and hold the shift key, then draw the shape in here, then go to the properties, then click on the fill, then select this color, then click on the stroke, then disable the stroke, then select the move tool, then select this, then drag this in here, then press and hold alt key, then take it over from this, then select all layers, then select the shape builder tool, then press and hold alt key, then click on here, then click on here, then select the move tool, then press and hold the shift key, then decrease the size of this, then press and hold alt key, then take it from this, then you have to rotate this, then drag this in here, then rotate this again, then select this, then drag this in here, then you have to select this and rotate this again, then select this, then press and hold alt key, then take it from this, then rotate this, then drag this in here, then drag this in here, then rotate this again, then drag this in here, then select this and drag this in here, then select this layers and drag this layers in here, then select this layers from here, then press and hold alt key, then take it up from this layer, then press and hold shift key, then decrease the size of this, then drag this in here, then select this layers and drag this layers in here, then select this layers and drag this layers in here, then you have to select this, then you have to select the gradient tool, then click on here, then select this, then click on the fill, then select this color from here, then you have to select this, then click on the fill again, then select this color, then select this and drag this in here, then select the move tool, then you have to select this, then select the gradient tool, then click on here, then select the move tool, then select this, then select the gradient tool, then click on here, then select the move tool, then you have to select this, then select the gradient tool, then click on here, then select this, then click on the fill, then select this color from here, then you have to select this, then click on the fill, then select the white color, then select the move tool, then you have to select this layer, then select the gradient tool, then click on here, then select the move tool, then you have to select this layer, then select the gradient tool, then click on here, then select this, then drag this in here, then select the move tool, then select this layers and drag this layers in here, then you have to click on the file, then click on the export, then click on the export as, then select the location, then type the logo name, then select the PNG format, then click on the export, then you have to select 300 ppi, then select transparent, then click on the OK. Now we have to open the Adobe Photoshop, so I am opening the Adobe Photoshop from my PC. After opening the Photoshop, you have to open the logo mockup, so I am opening this mockup. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here, then select the logo, then click on the backspace, then you have to open the exported logo, then select this, then drag this in here, then you have to increase the size of this, then drag this in here, then click on the tick mark, then double click on here, then click on here, then select this color from here, then click on the OK, then you have to select this, then click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK, then click on the tick mark, then select this and drag this in here, then you have to press Ctrl plus S1 from keyboard, now here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.